Well, it was a scorcher across Colorado on Monday. We're looking over Lookout Mountain. It looks hot out there, even right now. Denver hit 100 degrees for the first time this year. Boulder also reached 100, and Greeley, well, they soared to 106 degrees. The good news, we'll get a little bit of relief today as monsoon moisture returns, bringing a better chance for afternoon showers and thunderstorms. Thanks for joining us on this Tuesday at 7:30. I'm Sam Shocker.
And I'm Drew Carney. We'll get to Katie with your full Tuesday forecast here in just a moment. But first, 9 News meteorologist Jada Knowles is starting off this half hour with us with an explanation of what's changing in our atmosphere this week and the changes that are coming in just a few days. Professor Knowles, educate us, please.
Professor Knowles, Drew, did you do your homework? I'm not going to ask you a question because I know we're out of the.
That excuse.
Your dog ate it. Wow. I've heard that excuse before, and I've also heard that people like to think that they know the word monsoon, but they automatically think that it means a lot of rain across Colorado. But a lot of times it doesn't mean that. That's not the case. What it actually means is our weather pattern is changing. So I'm gonna break down the information for you. If you take a look at your screen there, you can see you can actually watch the atmosphere change on a satellite and future weather maps. But over the past several weeks, Colorado has been dominated by dry air, which makes it much harder for storms to produce widespread rain. But now that dry air is being replaced by a deep plume of tropical moisture following north from Mexico and the eastern Pacific. Now think of the atmosphere like a sponge. A dry sponge can't hold much water, but a saturated sponge can release a lot of it. As the atmosphere becomes wetter, thunderstorms has much more water vapor available to work with. That extra moisture allows storm clouds to grow taller and stronger, increasing the chance for frequent lightning, gusty winds, and short bursts of heavy rainfall. But even if a storm only lasts 20 to 30 minutes, it can dump an inch or more of rain in a small area. That's why flash flooding becomes a bigger concern during the monsoon, especially near recent burn scars where the ground can't absorb water very well and in low-lying or poor drainage areas. The added cloud coverage and afternoon rain also helps take the edge off the heat. So while mornings will still be warm, many afternoons won't be quite as hot as what we experienced, especially just yesterday. So of course, I know a lot of people are wondering, when are we going to finally see the cooler temperatures? When are we finally going to get some rain? This week looks a little bit more likely. As Katie's been telling the weather all morning, we're not expecting, just cooler temperatures, just a tad bit cooler than what we saw just yesterday with the low 90s this afternoon. But luckily, we have some more moisture in the forecast because of this monsoon. Overall, live in Denver, Jada Knowles for 9 News. And Katie, I'm so glad that we finally got a cooler morning. I mean, as we started this morning, it was very warm, but now a little bit cooler. We're seeing some breezy conditions as of right now, and today's shaping up to be very nice.
Yeah, not nearly as hot, Jaden. Professor Knowles, thank you for that update.